Have you been seeing videos like this all over your feed? They get crazy views every time. Do you want to know how to make one yourself? Let me show you how. First, download and install any video converter, or you can use the online tool if you don't want to download anything. If you already have a photo of your cat, just click AI Video Generator. If you don't have one yet, that's totally fine. You can use the AI image generator to create a cat image first. Next, go into AI Video Generator and upload your cat photo. Then type in the runway style you want, like a powerful and confident walk or a lazy, effortless catwalk. Choose your video resolution, pick the aspect ratio, and set the video length. Finally, hit generate and wait for the magic to happen. And just like that, your cat is officially a runway model. Follow for more AI content ideas, and tell me what kind of video you want to generate.